Hello! Welcome to our channel. Here are the results of the games and the current standings for January 27, 2025 and the NBA game schedule for January 28, 2025.
If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow.
Only one game played today in the NBA. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander led NBA leading Thunder beat Portland Trail Blazers 118-108. Alexander put in 35 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and Jalen Williams had 25 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 blocks. Danny Avdeja led the Portland Trail Blazers with 28 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists, and Tumani Camara added 24 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists. Let's proceed to the NBA team standings for January 27, 2025. Let's start with the Eastern Conference team standings. 15. Washington Wizards 6-38 record with 13-game losing skid. 14. Charlotte Hornets 12-30 record. 13. Toronto Raptors 13-32 record with 3-game winning streak. 12. Brooklyn Nets 14-32 record with 6-game losing skid. 11. Philadelphia 76ers 17-27 record with 2-game winning streak. Chicago Bulls is at number 10, 19-27 record with 2-game losing skid. Number 9, Atlanta Hawks, 22-23 record with 4-game losing skid. Number 8, Miami Heat, 22-22 record. 7, Orlando Magic, 24-22 record. 6, Detroit Pistons, 23-22 record. 5, Indiana Pacers, 25-20 record. 4, Milwaukee Bucks, 25-18 record. 3, New York Knicks, 30-16 record with 3-game winning streak. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 32-14 record. And the number 1 team in the Eastern Conference is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 36-9 record with 3-game losing skid. Let's proceed to the Western Conference team standings. 15. Utah Jazz, 10-33 record with 5-game losing skid. 14. New Orleans Pelicans, 12-34 record with 2-game losing skid. 13. Portland Trail Blazers, 17-29 record. 12. San Antonio Spurs, 20-23 record. 11. Golden State Warriors, 22-23 record. Number 10 is the Sacramento Kings, 23-22 record with 2-game losing skid. 9. Dallas Mavericks, 24-22 record. 8. Phoenix Suns, 23-21 record with 2-game winning streak. 7. Minnesota Timberwolves, 24-21 record with 2-game winning streak. Los Angeles Clippers is at number 6, 26-19 record with 2-game winning streak. 5. Los Angeles Lakers, 25-18 record with 3-game winning streak. 4. Denver Nuggets, 28-17 record. 3rd, Memphis Grizzlies, 31-15 record with 6-game winning streak. 2nd, Houston Rockets, 30-14 record with 2-game winning streak. And the number 1 team in the Western Conference is the league-leading Oklahoma City Thunder, 37-8 record. Here are the NBA regular season schedule for January 28, 2025. Anthony Davis and the Los Angeles Lakers will try to add up to their 3-game winning streak against Charlotte Hornets led by LaMelo Ball in Spectrum Center at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. The number 1 team in the East, Cleveland Cavaliers, led by Donovan Mitchell, will play the visiting team of Detroit Pistons, led by Cade Cunningham, in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. The top 10s of Alperen Sengun and the Houston Rockets will be tested against the number 2 team in the East, Boston Celtics, led by Jason Tatum in TD Garden at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Domantas Sabonis and the Sacramento Kings will try to get a win against the struggling team of Brooklyn Nets led by DeAndre Russell in Barclays Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Franz Wagner and the Orlando Magic will face Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat in Kaseya Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Karl Anthony Towns and the New York Knicks will be tested against the team with 6-game winning streak, the Memphis Grizzlies led by Jaren Jackson Jr. in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Zion Williamson in the New Orleans Pelicans will play Scottie Barnes in the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Nikola Vucevic in the Chicago Bulls will try to be back in the win column against the top team of Denver Nuggets led by Nikola Jokic and United Center at 9 a.m. Philippine Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Trae Young and the Atlanta Hawks will try to end their four-game skid against the Minnesota Timberwolves led by Anthony Edwards in Target Center at 9 a.m. Philippine Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time. The skidding Dallas Mavericks led by Kyrie Irving will play the visiting team of Washington Wizards led by Jordan Poole in American Airlines Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Giannis Antetokounmpo and the Milwaukee Bucks will face the struggling team of Utah Jazz led by John Collins in Delta Center at 10 a.m. Philippine Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Whose winning streak will end as James Harden and the Los Angeles Clippers play Kevin Durant in the Phoenix Suns in Footprint Center at 10:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.